The most important thing about parallel lines is being able to kind of like picture them in your head, right? What do they look like? Well, they're going to be two lines going in the exact same direction. So you can kind of see here, they have the same slope because they're going in the same direction. They do not intersect because they're never moving towards each other. They're always the same distance apart. And they have no solutions because the solution is just another word for intersection when we're talking about a graph or an equation. So choice D is the answer. They can't have the same y-intercept because if they did, then they would be the same line and they would not have, they wouldn't be parallel, they would just be overlapping. They would be literally the same line. So the y-intercept is going to be different because we're at different spots on the graph, but we're always moving in the same direction when we're parallel. This is important because a lot of times you're going to be asked about this, and it's not like you can just pick a number for x. There's no solution. So there is no value of x that will work in both equations. So you have to use this concept, this very abstract idea to solve these questions. So most of the time when they talk about parallel lines or they say that two equations have no solution or the same slope, your job is to focus on, let's not confuse it. Your job is to focus on the slope, okay? The slope, make them in y equals mx plus b form and set the slopes equal. That's going to solve pretty much every question that you would get.